What's up everyone? Today we're gonna make a sweet and sour chicken. I have chicken legs cut into chunky pieces and seasoning with salt and cooking wine. Massage the chicken to make all the flavor soaked in. And add 1 cup of cornstarch and some water to make the batter to coat on chicken. Drizzle some oil to prevent the chicken stick together. Prepare the cornstarch water for the sauce by adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. This is all the ingredients for the sweet and sour sauce. Okay, the next is heat up the oil. When you see the oil has tiny bubbles around the chopstick, it's ready to deep fry the chicken. We're gonna deep fry the chicken twice. This is the first time. Don't over fry it. After 7 minutes, take it out and set aside. Keep the oil, saute onions and peppers for a minute. Take it out, then we deep fry chickens again until the color turns golden brown. Add a tablespoon oil in a saucepan. Saute gingers and onions. Add tomato paste and crabapple jam. Give some water little by little until everything mixed up together. Then we dump the rest of the ingredients: vinegar, sugar, salt, water starch. Thicken up the sauce. The sauce is getting sticky. The color is getting rich. When you see the big bubbles, load up chickens, peppers, and onion. The last step is drizzle some oil to make the sauce shiny. Everything is coated by sauce evenly. It's time to remove from the heat. Look at that! This sweet and sour sauce you can use for shrimp, pork, or fish. Enjoy!